it's Betsy. Have you ever made a change in Bitrig that you wish you could undo? Well, you can. Restore to the rescue. Let's walk through this. It's getting colder, and so I thought I'd build a fun snow globe app that I can send to my friends. But when artistic expression strikes, who am I to say no? Make this feel like a disco ball, kind of 70s themed, just really over the top and sparkly. Oh my god. Okay, well, this is rather sensational. I kind of love it. But it moved away from my fun winter theme. So, I think I want to take it back and just go back to that snow globe. It's really easy. I just go in here, look at the transcript, and there's that restore button right after the previous prompt I gave it. I can just hit restore, and now we're back to our snow globe. Whew. But I am feeling a little bit of FOMO. That disco ball, that was really quite something. If I want to go back to that, I just reapply. And now we have this really perfect app. This restore flow is really helpful to get myself out of some suspect design decisions, but it's also great for another reason. Just like any developer, sometimes Bitrig writes code that causes a hang, it causes a crash, and this is a way to back out of whatever change you made that might have caused a problem. You just go to the main screen of Bitrig, you long press on the app you are working on and choose recovery mode. Now, when I enter it, it launches my app without any code being executed. So it lets me get back to this transcript. I can just scroll and find a change prior to whatever change I made that caused an issue. Choose restore. And now we can exit recovery mode and be back in business. Now that I have my app back to where I want it, all I need to do to move ahead with a clean slate is give it another prompt. Change the text from feeling festive to feeling chilly. It asks me if I'd like to overwrite, which in this case I do because I want to get rid of all of that stuff that wasn't working for me. And I'll hit send. And now we're back with a fresh start. Whether you're getting yourself out of a design that's just not working or you're fixing an error in the code, Restore has your back. Find us on social media at Bitrig App and share what you're working on. Bye!